welcome to another Glam Wednesday video. Today's video is going to be nice, quick and sweet. I started an online makeup class, you guys, and so far it's been amazing. So far I have learned one or two things from them, which, to be honest, this video is about talking about them and reviewing them. So they reached out to me to do a collaboration with them, which I was super excited about, and they are called the Online Makeup Academy. So they've signed me up for this online class where I get trained. Can you imagine? I also have like a personal tutor who trains, who teaches, who reviews my work and everything, and so far it's been amazing, and they've been so kind to allow me bring this opportunity before you guys, and which I'm also going to be talking about in details. But firstly, I want to say a very big thank you to our guys at Online Makeup Academy for giving me this opportunity to be able to bring this before you, because if you're somebody who is looking to progress your career, or if you are someone who's looking to go into the makeup artist world, I think this is an amazing course to do. And kindly enough, they also have a discount, which is going to be in my description box or on the screen right now for you. But yeah, when they reached out to me to offer me this opportunity, it actually sparked up a lot of emotions for me, because I don't think I've ever mentioned it on my channel, but I used to be a makeup artist, a freelance makeup artist. Whilst I was in uni, I used to do makeup for, basically makeup and hairstyling was how I survived, was how I got extra money to be able to do certain things for myself. For a very long time, it was my means of income. So I would do makeup for my friends who were graduating, or it's not my friends, but people who were graduating. Some of them, I would speak to some of my friends to just allow me to do their makeup so I can post on my social media platform. Some I would do makeup for people who are going to the club at night. Come on, it's uni. And I'll make hair for people and all that kind of stuff. And I honestly thought that makeup would be something that I would do, like I would end up being like a makeup artist and everything, until life happened. Different things happened and I just had to pack it up. If I have pictures, I will insert them for you guys to see. And yeah, the main one was, which it's going to be a detailed story of another video, but the main one was when I came on my channel and deleted all my work, because at that time I was dating someone who literally mocked me, because he called me, "So you're one of those girls that waste your time on social media, waste your time on doing rubbish online." And how young and naive was I at that time? Like, I was just so naive, and I obviously thought at that point that, wow, I'm wasting my time, blah blah blah. And I was so ashamed of my channel. And even till now, sometimes it's still kind of I'm getting to a point where I'm getting more and more confident with my channel. But listen, when you see people who are on YouTube and doing this, first of all, it's a lot of work to have people just put down your work because, or it's not, to them, it's not something that it's not something that, you know, they think is worthy of talking about. Anyway, I digress. So yeah, I came online, deleted all my videos. My parents were really pissed off. But here I am, and I must say that Glam Wednesdays is one of the most engaging content that I create on this channel, and I'm so grateful that I did not allow the words of somebody else to limit me. And look at this, I've not just continued, I now have opportunity from a company to even train me to get a certificate to be a makeup artist, a professional makeup artist. Like, it's amazing. When they reached out to me, I was like, see God. But yeah, this is such an amazing opportunity, and I was so happy when they obviously allowed me to bring the same opportunity before you guys. So this is just a quick encouragement for anyone out there. Whatever it is that you want to do, that you set your mind to do, that somebody somewhere or some statement somewhere has limited you from being able to go and achieve your goals, pick yourself up now and do it, because you don't have tomorrow, you have now. Okay. And if it is being a makeup artist that you're looking to do, like to go into the professional world of makeup, now is your best opportunity. The guys at Makeup Academy are currently, with this code you have a discount and you get everything. You can pick from different courses. You can pick to do the beginner friendly one, you can pick to do the elite path one, you can do basically. Right now the website will be scrolling on my side so that you guys can see. You can literally pick what course you want to focus on, and it's not rushed, it's on your own pace. And because it's online, no one is rushing you, especially for me right now that I have so many things on my plate. I'm still doing the course, I'm not done yet, and so you can join me and let's do this together. So you sign up online, you have a designated teacher or tutor who teaches you, who works with you, who takes you through, reviews your work and everything. And honestly, I think it's amazing. I honestly think it's amazing. One thing I loved from the very beginning classes that I've joined so far is them teaching you how to appear as a professional, how to take care of your kit as a professional, how to look after, what are the things that you want to have in your kit, in your makeup kit, all those things are talked about. So it's not just how to, and then they talk about different skin tones, so you go from a dark skin to a light skin to everything. It's actually really amazing. For me, convenience is key, and the fact that this company currently offers the convenience, you can learn all this in your own time, in your own pace. You don't have to leave your bag and you don't have to leave wherever you are to go and do training. You can do it online. Amazing. And they are also based in New York City and very big in New York. They have their own studio. They've been doing this for years, and from watching their videos, it looks like they started this online course post-COVID to allow other people who might not be able to make it into the studio to come and learn as well. So yeah, nothing is too late. Don't think, oh, the makeup world is saturated now, I can't do. No, there's absolutely nothing wrong about it. One thing I also love about the course is that it is so beginner friendly that even if you're not looking to be a makeup artist and you just want to know the basics of makeup, the basics of the little nitty-gritty of makeup, you can actually go on there, because they really take it like baby steps and all that kind of stuff. But for me, it's interesting because I've never attended any like makeup class or anything like that before. So to see all this knowledge in person in front of me, it's amazing. And a lot of makeup gurus on YouTube here, like myself, I'm not a guru, but a lot of makeup channels, they attend a lot of these makeup classes, to be honest, and it's amazing. I remember watching one of Jackie Aina's videos, and she mentioned attending one of Makeup by Mario's master classes when she was growing her channel, because she really wanted to learn and be able to bring that information before you. So for me, I'm like, here's an opportunity for me to learn and bring some of this before you. So feel free, share this video with any of your friends, family. This could even be a gift to your friend, a sister who has been saying they want to pursue a career in makeup. This could be a gift to them. a birthday gift, whatever gift, just send it to people that you know will be interested. If you're not interested, don't just hear this information and keep it to yourself, okay? I think once I'm done with the course, I might actually just come back and do like a video dedicated to what I've learned in the video, what I've learned on there. I thought about doing it now, but it's a little bit premature because I'm still learning. So let me perfect everything, and then I'll come back and obviously show you guys my certificate. Your girl is gonna be a professional makeup artist. Can you believe? Can you believe? Wow. Wow. Something I stopped because I listened to what somebody had to say. Something I stopped because I decided to hear what someone has to say. So yeah, thank you all so much for watching this video. I know that it was nice, quick and sweet. I just wanted to bring you this goodness that I've heard, this goodness that I've started, this good thing. I believe that if you're somebody who has the barest knowledge about makeup, this course is really gonna take you from a novice to a pro. To be honest, it's amazing. They are patient. The tutors so far take their time in explaining and obviously also sharing their expertise with you, so it's absolutely amazing. And the good thing about it is you always have access to the course when you're done with the course. So it's not like once I'm done with the course, that's it. You always have access to it, because so that you can always go back and relearn and refresh your memory on some things that you've learned in it. I'll leave the link to the website in the description box below, and obviously the discount code would also be in the website in the description box below. Go on there now and sign up and start. Okay, you only live once, girl. You only live once, girl or guy. You only live once. And once again, I want to say a very big thank you to my my contact person from Online Makeup Academy. Thank you so much for this opportunity. I really appreciate it, and I look forward to more and more opportunity. Thank you all so much for spending this short and sweet time with me, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.